In this video, we'll be walking through Scrollmark and showing you how to build automations that will help you get data, power product discovery, and drive demand for them using your existing social efforts. Let's get started. After you connect your account to Scrollmark, you can navigate to the Journeys tab, where you're going to be building all of your cool automations. So let's create our first journey. I'm going to name it Email Collection plus Shoppable DMs. And we're going to trigger it when a user comments on a post. As you can see, we can edit this in any which way. We can say we want to trigger this only on ad posts, only on organic posts, specific posts, maybe the next post that you create. And we can also trigger it on specific keywords. For now, I'm going to say I want to trigger this on all organic posts. And one of the cool things that we can do here is segment users based on what they've said in context using AI. So you can use the contextual segmenter here. And if somebody expresses desire, so take this path, if someone expresses intent to buy, such as I want, I need, or something similar, we can go in a specific direction. And we can take another path if the user comments an emoji. Now, if somebody expresses intent to buy, we can start to hook in our catalog. So we can say something like, hey, noticed that you really loved our product, dropping a link to it and similar products below. And drive them directly to an environment in which they can purchase. The way that this works is that we ingest your catalog when you connect Shopify and automatically show you these products whenever you want to open up a catalog integration. And Instagram's Messenger is very rich. They allow for things like buttons and carousels. So what we're sending here is a carousel of products with buttons that point towards the shopping experience that already exists on your website. Now, if somebody comments with just an emoji, we can go with a different route. So we can say something like, hey, noticed you loved our brand. We'd love to send you more offers as new products release. Mind dropping your email below? And use this to collect the emails of the people who are already engaging with us on social. Now, what we found is that depending on the campaign, this sort of email collection can have anywhere from a 10% to a 60% success rate. So over here, we're going to listen for the user to send their email. And if they do so, we're going to say thanks. We'll be in touch. And there's 1,000 things that we can do with Scrollmark. As an example, for the fallback option, we can just comment back a heart. A very simple way to engage with your users without a very high touch. Now we can go ahead and publish this journey and show you what would happen when this journey is run. Now, imagine you started this journey, the comments start rolling in, you're going to start seeing users in your audience page. And in these users, if they've submitted their email or their phone number, that's going to show up right here. You're also going to be able to collect things like follower count, whether or not they follow you, and other social data. And finally, if they click on any link, we go ahead and grab their IP and link it to a location so you know where this user is based. And ultimately, all this data is really only useful if you're syncing it with the rest of your marketing stack. And that's what Scrollmark does. So we can go into your integrations and integrate into your CRM or CDP, whatever you use. Klaviyo, HubSpot, Zendesk, Iterable, Gorgias, Attentive, Salesforce, and even loyalty providers are just a few of the platforms that we integrate with. If you don't see your integration here, no problem, just ask.